to discuss a very important topic, and that is report writing. Although this is a very known and common topic, this is a little bit challenging because while writing, sometimes you make mistakes. I hope all of your doubts will be cleared after watching this video. So let's get started. Before going in details, can you tell me what is a report? A report is a structured written presentation directed to readers in response to some specific purpose, aim, or request. A report is a systematic, well organized document which defines and analyzes a subject or problems and which may include the record of a sequence of events, interpretations of these significant events, and facts. What is a report writing? Report writing is a means to convey some information to others, an organized, factual, objective presentation of information. Organized means it follows a systematic pattern. Objective means it should not be influenced by our personal feelings. Report is a comprehensive document and covers all aspects of the subject matter of study. What are the purpose of reports? The main purpose of a report is to provide information. Reports are used to present information on a particular topic after research has been carried out, to give details of work carried out over a certain period with information on what still needs to be done, to give an account of what actually happened at an event, for example, a road accident or a police report. There are several types of reports, but today we are not going to discuss about each and every report, but we will discuss about newspaper report specifically. What is a newspaper report? A newspaper article explains a real life event. It presents a lot of information but does not use a lot of words. Facts about news reports. News report is a factual and informational report. This is written in short paragraphs. In newspaper report, plain language is used. W5H belong at the beginning, first two paragraphs of the report. Includes quotations from key people who are witnesses or part of the story. Written in the third person, does not use I. A news report includes the following: a headline, a photo, a byline, a place line, a lead paragraph, body, quotations. What is headline? It is the title of article. It should be catchy and grab the attention of your readers. So title is a very important thing of a report. So you have to be careful while writing headline. For example, assassin kills Kennedy. So dear students, you can understand that this is a catchy headline. And you can write down that zombies take over the city. So this is a type of headline which can grab the attention of your readers. And you can say royal birth, it's a boy. This is also a very catchy headline. Photo is a very important thing in report. The photo relates to the headline of the news report, illustrating the characteristics of the story. Here you see Titanic sinks, 500 die. Coronavirus, now it's getting serious. So what is a byline? Byline is the name of person who wrote the report. Remember, when you write your own news report, you will use your own name. For example, you are Onik, then you have to write down your name. Place line where the report was written. The place line indicates to where the report was written. The place the report was written depends on where the incident took place. That means where the incident took place, the place line will be that one. Lead paragraph. The first paragraph of the article. In lead paragraph, you must include the 5 W's. 5 W's indicates to 5 WH questions. For example, who? Who was involved in the incident? What? What exactly happened? Where? Where did it happen? When? When did it happen? Why? Why the incident happened? So, this leading paragraph will include all of the answers of these questions. So, here is a sample lead paragraph. Yesterday, Eva March was shocked to find a rare bird in her backyard in London. When? Yesterday. Who? Eva March. What happened? Shocked to find a rare bird. Where? Backyard in London. So I hope you have got all the question of 5 W's. In paragraph 2, the second paragraph of the report explains how and why the incident happened. In the third paragraph, you will need to include at least one quotation from someone who was part of the incident and who was interviewed for the report. In the last paragraph, you will include any additional information the reader may want to know. So all those are given in short here. So headline. How your headline will be. So your headline will be catchy so that you may grab readers' attention. And you can write down the headline by summing up the story with phrases. And byline includes writer's name and specialty. Suppose your name is Munni Shaha. What type of reporter you are? You are a crime reporter. So this is the specialty of yours. You can write Munni Shaha, crime reporter. Place line indicates to date and place name. And leading sentence. Here you have to give most important information. And you have to answer the 5 WH questions here. For example, who, where, how, why, when, and so on. And in the body, you have to write down in details. And quotations. Quotations indicates to statements of someone. That means you have to write down the quotations or statements of witness, local victim, or police, or so on. So here you have an example of a report. Car thief caught trapped in target vehicle. So this is the headline of this report. And here you have the byline. Jim Day, staff reporter. So this is the byline. That means name of the author. And you also have here the place line. That is Wednesday, February 25, 2009 at Canberra. This is the place line. And here you have the leading sentences. A bugling Australian car thief was nabbed after accidentally locking himself in the vehicle he was trying to steal, police said Wednesday. So these are the leading sentences. Here you have some important points. So these sentences catch readers' interest. Most important informations are given here. This introduces the topic, answers most of the 5 W's. For example, where at Canberra, who a bangling Australian car thief, when on Wednesday. So this is the body of this paragraph you see. Police were called to a house in Adelaide after two thieves were heard trying to steal a car. On arrival, they were surprised to find a 53-year-old man hiding inside the vehicle. The man, while breaking into the car, had locked himself in the car and couldn't get out, South Australian police said, adding a second thief was found hiding nearby bushes. So this is the body of this report. And you see, dear students, the man, while breaking into the car, had locked himself in the car and couldn't get out. This is the quotation here. So let's try to write a report now. The topic is St. Gregory's College receives award. So brainstorming. Think for a while about these questions. Who, what, where, when, why and how. So who actually? St. Gregory's High School and College. What? Receives award. Where? Lakshmi Bazar, Dhaka. When? Yesterday. Why? For community spirit. How? By picking up litter on a daily basis. So this is the headline, my dear boys. St. Gregory's College receives award. And you have to write down the starting this way. Staff reporter. So be careful. If you are given a name, then you have to write down your name at first. So here we don't have name, so we will write down staff reporter. Staff reporter, the Daily Star, May 14, 2020. I'm sorry, this will be in capital letter. The Daily Star, May 14, 2020, Dhaka. Yesterday, St. Gregory's High School and College, located in Lakshmi Bazar, received an award for community spirit. The students of the college cleaned up their neighborhood by picking up litter on a daily basis for 2 weeks. The award was presented by the Organization of Community Giving, who gives out 3 Community Spirit Awards a year. Principal of St. Gregory's High School and College, Brother Placid Pradeep Gomez CSC said, I'm so proud of the students. They were dedicated. I'm thrilled they have won this award. Student David Newell said, every morning we spend 15 minutes picking up the litter in the neighborhood. Students plan to continue to keep their neighborhood clean. So let's look at some things. Take notes. Paragraphs are 1 or 2 sentences long. Key information is in the first 2 paragraphs. Information is factual. Make sure you have 5 WH question here. The quotations related directly to the reports. The last paragraph includes additional information. Students, let's look out to the question pattern. Suppose you are a reporter of an English national daily. You are assigned to cover several accidents occurred in Dhaka city. Write a report on road accident. So dear students, at first look at to the first sentence. You are a reporter. So here you are not given any special name. If you are given a name here, suppose you are Onik, you are a reporter of an English national daily, then you have to write down your name. So since you have no name here, you can write down staff reporter. And here a very important thing you have to think about, that is, you are a reporter of an English national daily. There is no such name of newspaper, an English national daily. So you have to write down the name of any English newspaper here, not Bengali newspapers. If you are said that, suppose you are a reporter of a national daily, then you can write down any name, whether it is Bengali newspaper or English newspaper. You can write down the Prathom Alo, the Daily Star, and so on. But here it is specific. You have to write down the name of English newspaper here. So let's get started now. At first you have to write down the headline. Here I have written 4 killed in city road crashes. So I thought that this is a catchy name for the readers. So I have written this name. And staff reporter, and I have written here the Daily Star. You can write down the observer also. You can write down the new days also here, because you are said to write down an English national daily, the name of an English national daily here. So the date May 14, 2020, and the place Dhaka. 4 people, including 3 women, were killed in the 2 road accidents at Mohakali and Rampura in the city Saturday morning. 3 of the deceased were identified as Jafar, 38, Mahmuda Khanum, 62, and Fatima Begum, 70. In Mohakali, Jafar and another unidentified woman died on the spot when a speedy turned turtle around 8:45 a.m. Talking to the Daily Star, Abdul Manaf, a sub-inspector of Gulshan police station, said the accident took place when a bus of Gramin Poribohon overturned on the road near Shetu Bhavan in Mohakali as the driver of the bus lost his control over the steering. Now it's your turn. Try to write down 3 reports. Here I have given 3 questions. So these are the sample question similar to your board question. So try to solve it. If you find any problem while writing these reports, feel free to ask me. So that's all for today. Take care, dear students. Stay home, stay safe.